Have you always been afraid to put self tanner on your face? I would always worry, and I always try to come up with these different techniques to put self tanner on my face because I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm going to put this self tanner on and I'm going to, like, 4 hours, 6 hours later tomorrow, look crazy and have all these streaks and all these blotches all over my face. This tanner has changed the game. I trust this tanner. I trust that I can put it on my face because there's no dyes. It's chemical free. It's made by a woman and I freaking love it. And I know I can apply this to my face and it's going to be safe. It smells amazing. And within a few hours, I'm going to get this bronzed, sun-kissed, amazing look. And you can even contour your skin on your face if you choose to and just have this glow that people are going to compliment you on. I'm going to link it below. It runs out really quick, so make sure you grab it because you are going to love this product when you try it.